Welcome to Taji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you kombini. So kombini is short for convenience store, and these are very popular in Japan. So originally this is an idea from America, but it's one of those things that Japan just evolved to another level. For those who have been to Japan know that this is pretty much everywhere in Japan. So there are primarily 5 kombini chains in Japan. One is this 7-Eleven, this is originally from America. And then we also have Family Mart, Lawson, Ministop, and Daily Yamazaki. There are also several local convenience stores. This has just pretty much everything that you need for your daily lives. There are over 50,000 of them in Japan, so you'll find them everywhere. Then let's go inside. Right at the entrance, there's a coffee machine, and these are the cashier. On the other side, there are some energy boost drinks and medicinal drinks. Right next to that, they have some newspapers, and then here's hot water in a thermos for cup noodles. There are also umbrellas, and then tour guides and maps. And here's a bit empty, but there are also some mangas. And here are famous One Piece, Dragon Ball Z, and also My Hero Academia. And right next to that, they have different kinds of magazines, mostly fashion magazine, but also gossip magazine, and also here are manga magazine, outdoor magazine. And right next to that is a copy machine. You put in the coins right in here for the copying. It has other functions such as printing, scanning, and even faxing in these days. But also you can buy different kind of tickets for concert and sport events. You can also even buy the insurance and paying bills. And right next to that, there's an ATM machine. You can withdraw the cash right in here from your credit card or debit card. And in the back of a convenience store, there's usually a restroom or toilet. And most of the time you can use them for free. They're usually very clean like this, and most of them even have these washlet. If you want to know more about washlet, please watch my other video on it. And then if you go out, here they have different kind of gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, Apple Store. And next to that, they have stationaries. They have different pens and markers, and also notebooks and sketchbooks in many sizes. And here they have more: stapler, scissors, glue, post-it, scotch tape, even playing cards and Uno. And also different kind of envelopes. These are specially decorated envelopes called mizuhiki, which you use often for celebration like marriage or graduation. And below they have garbage bags and recycling bags. On the other side of that, they have Tupperware, dish soap, cleaning agents for kitchen and bathroom, tin foil, saran wrap, baking sheets, paper towel. And here they have different kinds of body soap, shampoo, conditioner. And next to that, they have here toilet paper and Kleenex or tissue paper. And if you get to the back, they have different kinds of beverages, which we'll get to later in the video. And on the shelf, they have different kind of instant noodles in cups and also instant yakisoba. And then around the corner, there are even more cup ramen and cup udon, of course. And here's the original Nissin cup noodle. That's a classic and also my favorite. And then on the other side, they have some electronics, adapters, charging cables, earphones, and different size batteries. And here they also have some medical goods like cool pads, moisturizer, thermometer, chapstick, medical alcohol, of course, condoms, band-aid, gauze, tampon, and other sanitary goods. And next up, they have hair gels, razors, shaving cream, and wet towels. And then they even have stockings in case you get holes in them, or socks and t-shirt and underwear. And then on the other side, they have toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, hand soap, and whatnot. And then here they have different kinds of detergent. Like I said, kombini have pretty much everything you need for your daily lives. And if we go further, they have medical masks, and down here they have handheld fireworks. On the other side, they have camping goods, bag spray, paper cups, and whatnot. And if we go back again, they have alcohol section here, different kinds of sake here, and even more sake, and wine, whiskey, and other liquor. And on the other side, they have different kinds of instant soup, Chinese, Western, Japanese style. And then next to that, we have so-called otsumami, which are suitable Japanese snacks for drinking alcohol. A lot of them tends to be seafood based, of course. And then here we have sweet section. Here are full of chocolate snacks, and here are even more chocolate snacks. And then next we have some collaboration snacks. For those who know, these are Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Demon Slayers, one of my favorite anime also. And then here are also a lot of candies. And on the other side we have some salty snacks. Here we have chips with different flavor. And then if you go back again, here we have some Japanese seasonings. Different tsuyu, ponzu dressing, miso, soy sauce, dashi, and many other things. Everything you need to cook Japanese food. Here we also have some pre-made sauces, pasta sauce, and also pasta itself. So you can just shop at Kombini and still cook well. And here we also have some pre-made Japanese style curry. And down here are canned items to go with rice. And here we have some cooled sweets like pudding, jelly, and yogurt. And if we go back again, we also have some hot beverage mixture, drip coffee, instant coffee or latte mix, hot cocoa, tea bags, and such. And next to it we have all kinds of juice, milk, and cold coffee. And here are also some cut up fruits and veggies. If we go further down, there are many kinds of packaged and pre-made food that just needs heating up. So Kombini is a really big supporter of many busy working business persons. Down here there are some pre-made pasta bentos. And here they have salad bowls of different kinds. And here are pre-made donburi bowls. And on the top they have Japanese style sandwiches. And next to that they have several cold noodles dishes. And down here they have Japanese style bento boxes. And above them we have many onigiris, which are very typical of Kombini. And they also sell drinks here, and what's different is that they serve warm bottled drinks. And on the other side we have frozen section. Here we have frozen packaged food, pasta, gyoza, chahan, ramen. And then next to that they have some frozen candy bars and ice creams. Oh, these are so delicious. And then when we come around the corner, here we have the bread section. Many of these Japanese bread have different toppings or fillings, making them flavorful. And right next to the cashier, we have some fries section. We have karaage, croquette, corn dogs, and so forth. And next to that, we have some steamer, where they have Chinese-style steam buns. And then when we go all the way back, we have the beverages. Here, different coffee and Western-style tea. And next to them, different kind of Japanese tea, different kind of green tea, roasted tea, barley tea. Here we have water and sport drinks. And then here Coke and other soda drinks and energy drinks. From here are all alcohol drinks. First Japanese cocktails, sparkling wine, and sake. And next to them are all Japanese beer, 2 rows of them. Now I'm gonna get some drink for myself. I'm gonna get this energy drink. Then let's bring it to the cashier. In many Kombini or supermarket in Japan nowadays, you can pay without any contact with a register, like this, which is perfect for the time of pandemic. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope it was somewhat informative, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.